In this video, I'll show you how to add and animate custom text in Filmora. First, make sure you already have your video in the timeline. Now we'll add the text. To do that, go to the Titles tab at the top. You can explore preset title styles, or if you want to create your own style from scratch, go to the Text tool and choose Quick Text. Once the text is added to the timeline, position it in the center of the video using the alignment lines that appear. To resize the text, just drag the corner of the text box in the preview window. Now double-click the text and type in your desired title. In my case, I'll write bird. With your text selected, go to the title settings in the Basic tab. Here, you can change the font, text color, and even apply styles like bold or italic. Choose the font that fits your video's mood. Next, adjust the duration of your text on the timeline. Just stretch it to how long you want it to appear on screen. Now let's animate it. Go to the Animation tab. Under the In section, choose Fade. This will make the text smoothly fade into the video. To make it fade out as well, scroll to the Out section and again choose Fade. Filmora will automatically add the fade out effect at the end of the text clip.